I'm Bet from Bet's Makes, and today we're going to be making a Valentine's banner. So a banner that looks similar to this. We use paper stock, Cricut pens, and some ribbons. So let's get started. Here we are in Cricut Design Space, and we are going to upload our banner files here before we make our banner, and then we'll work on that. So let's click on Upload. Let's upload our image. And this time our file is going to be called Valentine's Banner 2021. I'm going to click on it and open it, and you are going to see 9 different banners that we're going to use. Let's just click on Save here. And then we're going to click on it and bring it into our canvas. Now these are all set for a print and cut, and take a look at what's on the side. You'll notice that the words are set differently. So we are going to ungroup everything here, and we're going to start with this piece. So you'll notice that we have a lot of these, but we have the words that go through it, and they are all separate pieces. Now what you want to do is weld, say, this first one together just so it stays together, and then you can either have it cut out separately, or you can place it in the middle and then set that one, instead of cut, to draw, so that you can draw those words in the center. There we go, it's set up as draw. You want to highlight the both of them. I would tend to group these and then of course attach them so that they stay together. So we have one of them done. You're going to do exactly the same thing for all of these. Now the holes that are cut in the sides of all of these, what we're going to do when we put this together, so we're going to put them together like this, and we're going to thread through some string or some ribbon and tie it together in a big chain. So this is going to be a lot of fun. So let's now move over to make it. Well, let's save it first. Save the project. So this is Valentine Banner. Let's just save that. And we're ready to make it. Should all come out on one mat. So you can see it's all on one mat. They fit perfectly. It looks like you could probably add 3 more if you wanted to, but simply choose the type of paper that you want for this banner, and it all faces forward. So let's go ahead and cut this, and then I'll show you in a demo how we're going to put this together. So I have all the pieces now for our banner, and I have tied one of them together. Now this is a 12-inch piece of ribbon that I've cut. I had this wider cut ribbon, and what I found was that I could cut it in half in order to fit through the holes. Now you could make this a lot larger if you wanted to, but I'm just going to use some 12-inch pieces and just show you exactly what you want to do. So you want to pick what you want to have go together. And it's just as easy. You just thread it through each of the holes, and then you tie your bow in the center. It's a pretty simple process. Now you could use a glitter one, a purple one. You could use any color that you want. You can keep them further apart or together. I like them a bit together. And all you're doing here is just simply making a bow in between each one of them. They're so cute this way. Just make it easy. Just a nice easy little bow. And that's all there is to it. And then we're going to put all of these things together, and you have a nice string of them. Now the hardest part, of course, is just taking your ribbon, making sure you've got those 12-inch pieces. Okay, we have them all strung together, and now we want to do the end piece. Now you probably want a longer piece, and I'm just going to show you how to do this on one side. All we're going to do for the one side is we're actually going to tie it in place. I'm just going to do a small slit here, and we're going to put one side through, and we're simply going to tie a knot right here. And you can do two if you want, and then you have the end piece that's a lot longer so that you can string it. So we'll just do one more of those. This was a double. So it is just simply a small slit, just enough so that you can tie a knot on the end. And now we have this gorgeous banner that you can tie up anywhere. Well, I hope you enjoyed putting this together. We've got this beautiful banner, and it won't stretch all the way across here. And we also learned how to put the edges together and have a wider ribbon at the end. So I really hope you enjoyed putting this together, and until next time.